Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market so you don't have to. Today, we're looking at what we confidently call the best pool toys set for kids, the JOYIN 18-piece diving pool toys kit. If you're planning to make a splash this summer, this set is an absolute must-have. Let's talk about what makes this diving toy set such a hit with families. First off, it's not just a toy, it's a complete underwater adventure kit. Inside the neatly packaged storage bag, you get 18 pieces of pure aquatic fun, 4 brightly colored diving rings, 4 torpedo bandits, 4 diving sticks, and 6 treasure pieces. Each item is thoughtfully designed to sink and stand upright in the pool, making it easy and fun for kids to retrieve them while diving. One of the highlights is the visual appeal. The vivid colors not only make the toys exciting to look at, but they also stand out clearly underwater, helping kids locate and grab them more easily. The rings and sticks are built to sink vertically, creating a fun challenge that encourages kids to build confidence in their swimming and diving skills. The torpedo bandits glide through the water like little rockets, and the treasure pieces can be scattered for underwater treasure hunts. Perfect for turning any swim into an imaginative game. Each item in this set is designed for durability and safety. The materials are non-toxic and meet US toy standards, with ASTM safety test approval. That's peace of mind for parents and fun guaranteed for kids. Whether your child is just learning to swim or already loves underwater adventures, this set offers hours of healthy, screen-free entertainment. Now let's talk usability. The kit comes with a compact mesh storage bag, which is incredibly convenient for keeping everything together and allowing the toys to dry out quickly after use. Whether you're headed to your backyard pool, a community swim center, or a beach vacation, this bag makes the toy set extremely portable. Another thing we love is how this toy set turns simple pool time into engaging play. Kids can invent their own diving games, challenge each other to races, or search for the scattered treasures like little aquatic pirates. It's more than just a collection of plastic toys. It becomes a tool for creativity, physical activity, and social play. From birthday parties and playdates to just a sunny afternoon in the water, this diving set adds value to any pool day. And while it's designed for kids ages 8 to 12, even adults will find themselves wanting to join in on the fun. So whether you're looking to upgrade your kids' swimming skills or just want to make this summer unforgettable, the JOYIN 18-piece diving pool toys set checks every box. It's affordable, well-made, and packed with variety. No batteries, no screens, just pure, splash-worthy fun. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the best products to power your lifestyle. Dive into summer fun, literally, with the JOYIN diving toy set. See you in the next review.